Hello, crafty friends. This is Anya General with Ink Paper Scissors. In today's video, we're diving into part 2 of our Use Your Scraps series, where I'll show you how to turn your leftover pattern papers into stunning cards. Now let's get started. To begin, I've sorted my pattern paper scraps into 2 piles, one for Christmas-themed papers and one for all-occasion papers. This helps keep things organized and ensures I can create cohesive card designs for each theme. For this project, I'm using the Rainbow Bright 3 die from Tailored Expressions. This die has 6 strips, making it perfect for creating colorful and layered designs. I have selected 4 pattern papers from my scraps and 2 glitter cardstocks to add some sparkling interest to my cards. I am die cutting the Rainbow Bright die out of each of those selections, so I'm die cutting it a total of 6 times. After die cutting all my papers, I sorted the strips into 6 piles, grouping them by their shape. This step makes the assembly process so much easier and faster. Quick note, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on more card making inspiration. For more details on the products I used and close-up photographs of the cards, be sure to visit my blog at www.ink-paper-scissors.com. I will have the blog linked for you in the description as well. Now let's get back to crafting. Next, I adhered the rainbow strips onto A2 cardstock panels. To create a balanced and eye-catching design, I made sure to take 1 strip from each pile and arrange them so none of the papers would repeat. This process is not only fun, but also a great way to use up those scraps we've been saving. While I assemble the Rainbow Bright 3 designs onto the A2 cardstock panels, I'll add some relaxing music so you can enjoy watching the process. And I'll be back later to assemble the cards. Here are the completed A2 panels. Aren't they gorgeous? I've made some for all occasions and some for Christmas. Now it's time to turn these panels into finished cards. To embellish my cards, I went through my sentiment scrap pile and pulled out large word die cuts that would make a bold statement. Then I looked through my stash of stamped and colored images, as well as additional die cuts to find elements that would complement each design. I ended up creating 8 Christmas cards and 5 happy birthday cards. The glitter paper adds just the right amount of sparkle, and the large word die cuts really make these cards pop. Using scraps like this is such a satisfying way to get creative, reduce waste, and give me more space in my scrap drawers. While I work on finishing my cards, I will play some music for you and return at the end for a few closing statements. I hope this inspires you to dive into your scrap stash and get crafty. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more ideas and techniques. I post a new technique video every Tuesday. I host a live every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I post a 5-minute card idea video every Friday. Don't forget to check out my blog that I have linked for you below for more details and close-up photos of these cards. I have linked the blog in the description below. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting!